Ever wondered how to get paid into your Novo account? Or maybe you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a side hustler, and you're looking for a simple, streamlined way to manage your business finances. If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the easy and efficient ways to receive payments directly into your Novo account. Novo is more than just a business checking account, it's a financial hub designed to make your life easier. And a huge part of that is simplifying how you get paid. So, let's break it down. The most common way to receive payments is through direct deposit or an ACH transfer. You know, like when an employer or a client sends money directly to your account. To do this, all you need to do is provide them with your Novo account and routing numbers. You can find these numbers easily within the Novo app or on the web dashboard. It's that simple. Just a heads up, make sure you're providing your Novo business account numbers, not your personal ones. This is a common mistake that can cause delays. Another popular method is using invoicing. If you're a freelancer or a contractor, you probably send invoices to your clients. Novo integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Stripe and PayPal, allowing you to create and send professional invoices that your clients can pay directly. When they pay, the money goes straight into your Novo account, making reconciliation a breeze. This integration means less manual work for you and faster payments from your clients. What about checks? Yes, you can deposit checks into your Novo account. The Novo app has a fantastic mobile check deposit feature. All you have to do is take a picture of the front and back of the endorsed check, and the funds will be on their way to your account. It's super convenient and saves you a trip to the bank. And for those who deal with international clients, Novo has you covered there, too. You can receive international wire transfers. Just provide your client with the necessary details, including your account number and SWIFT code, which is also available in your app. Keep in mind that there might be a small fee associated with incoming wires, so it's always a good idea to check the current fee schedule on Novo's website. No matter which method you choose, the key takeaway is that Novo provides multiple flexible options to get you paid quickly and securely. You have the power to choose what works best for your business, whether it's direct deposit, invoicing, mobile check deposit, or even international wires. Each method is designed to get your money where it needs to be with minimal friction. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.